going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O.Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. I'm that guy that's always in this place where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning things I never knew, and I'm always sharing them with you guys. Guys, if you're finding this video, I want to thank you for opting in. Guys, we got a treat for you today. As you can see, guys, I'm sitting in my car. I'm almost talking about Carfax and all that crazy stuff, guys. Having a ball, shooting a video marathon today, right? So you guys are going to see lots of videos going up in the next few days and right throughout the rest of this year, guys, because right now is the best time to start positioning yourself to start your own business or make money online. I don't care if you just want to make a little bit of extra income, guys, or actually start your own business, guys. I got some explosive information that I want to share with you guys. The first thing I want to talk about, though, is how I am able to make money online and how I've made it more in one single day than some people make in an entire month, okay? I want to talk about how I was able to do it, guys. If you guys have been on my channel, you've heard me say 1,000 times that all I really use today, guys, are automated marketing systems and sales funnels. Why? Because they do most of the work for you, guys. You hear me talking about that all the time. And when I say most of the work for you, that's because, guys, when you know how to strategically position yourself with your biz op, your affiliate offers, or your whatever it is you want to market online, then you can do this, right? And the learning curve is not as large as you may think it is. So what I've done, I've just got off the, I just was texting someone who asked me some questions. She was asking me, you know, she was saying, well, I'm not that great on the computer, and I'm having some problems setting some things up. So here's what's going to start happening, guys, on the videos. Number one, I'm going to introduce you to the system, first and foremost, okay? Guys, if you don't have the money to get started, right, with what I'm going to introduce you to, maybe you just want to get an extra job, guys. You know what I mean? Just go get yourself a part-time job, because when you get started with me and things, guys, it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. Most of all the things I'm doing right now, guys, there's no recurring income. Okay, I mean, you know, there's no recurring auto ships where you got to pay $50 a month, $100 a month, whatever. You don't have to do any of that. So first, I'm going to introduce you guys to these systems, but then I'm going to go a step further, guys, and give you guys, I'm going to over-deliver with the training that I'm going to give you. Okay, listen. If you get involved with me with anything and you use the techniques, the tactics, the strategies, the training, along with the actual marketing system that I give you, you can have success. The amount of success you have will just depend totally up to you, right? You can go out here and truly rock it. But you got to get in this place, right, where you're ready to learn some things. If you're ready to learn some things, guys, if you're tired of being tired, if you really want to start speaking your own success into existence and do your own thing, right, as a true student of the game of internet marketing, so I want you guys, if you're finding me on YouTube, there's going to be a link in the description area. Follow that link, guys. Get on my list. I'm going to send you guys a presentation. You're going to get to watch it. You guys got any questions? You're going to have my contact information. You're going to have my mobile phone, my email. Call me, right? Reach out, guys. Don't be afraid, right? Most people are afraid to reach out, talk to somebody. When I first got started, guys, I didn't even know how to check my email. I didn't even know how to set up an email, right? Now, guys, you know what I like to say, right? I've done so much for so long with so little. I feel like I'm qualified to do the impossible with nothing. And on that note, I can definitely show you guys how you can get set up if you want to start your own business right now today, or if you just want to make a little bit of extra money, you're willing to open up, commit to a particular process, I can show you guys how to do it. I know, guys, you don't believe me because talk is cheap. Dumping around songs on the radio. Anyway, look, you want more information? Go ahead on, guys. If you're on my YouTube video, get in here and get this information. If you guys have already opted in, thanks for opting in, guys. Right below this video is going to be a blue continue button. Click that button. Let's get you over to the presentation. Got any questions? Give me a call. Miles to go before I sleep. This is your boy, Marlon O.Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. I'm so hyped up. I'll see you guys on the inside.